In this video, we're going to take a quick look at dividers. Dividers are a fantastic way to create a dividing line between sections inside your campaign, and you can customize these just how you want. So let's add a divider to our workspace, and let's add it between these two sections here. Okay, we can see the divider's now been added, and we can just click on it to edit. So by default, this is a black line, and we can customize the color of it over here. And we can also adjust the thickness to make it thicker or thinner, or the divider type. So at the moment this is a solid line, but we could change it to a dashed line, a dotted line, or so forth. In addition to that, you can see we've got drag handles. So if we drag this out, we can make the divider a little wider or smaller so it fits our design perfectly. And finally, we have the background color here. So this will change the background color on the block. So let's select a new background color if you wanted it to stand out a little more, or alternatively, let's set it back to transparent. Okay, that's a quick demonstration of dividers and how you can use them inside your campaign.